How to cancel a Skillshare membership. Hello guys, I'm excited about this video because you would be learning how you can cancel your share membership. Okay, so it's very simple. Let's dive in. The first step is to log in into your Skillshare account, just like I have done here. And so once you're logged in, of course, you'll see different classes available based on your membership. And so once you can see that, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see some icons such as sessions, my classes, the notification bar, and then the Skillshare icon. Just click on that, and so once you can see that, a drop down menu will appear. In this menu, ensure you select account settings. Alright, and so after selecting that, you'll be brought to the account settings page. On this page, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a drop down menu. There you see options like view profile, email address, password, email notifications, language, membership, and payment. Ensure you select that. So after selecting membership and payments, you'll be brought to the membership and payments page. So on this page, you would see your membership, if it's annual or if it's monthly. And so once you can see that, by the right side of the membership, you will see the option cancel membership. All right, just go ahead, click on that. And then after clicking on it, you'll be asked if you're sure that you would like to cancel your membership. Select yes, and just like that, your membership or your Skillshare account would be automatically cancelled. Very, very simple. Yeah, that is it. Now the reason why mine is not displaying that is because I have not chosen a membership yet, but for you, you see it here, so ensure you try it out. Thank you for watching.